Top foods for losing weight. Delicious and nutritious choices. Are you looking to shed some extra pounds and feel healthier? Well, look no further. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the best foods for weight loss. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to help you reach your goals. First up, we have fruits and vegetables. These colorful foods are full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied while consuming fewer calories. Plus, they're low in fat and high in water content, making them the perfect choice for weight loss. Next, let's talk about lean proteins like chicken, turkey, and fish. Protein is important for building and repairing muscles, and it can also help you feel full and satisfied after meals. Try adding some lean protein to each meal to help keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the day. Boost your mood. Simple ways to feel happier every day. Feeling down? Here are some easy tips to boost your mood and bring more happiness into your life. First, focus on gratitude by taking a few moments each day to reflect on what you're thankful for. Practice mindfulness by staying present and enjoying the little moments in life. Get moving with some physical activity, whether it's a brisk walk, a bike ride, or a dance session in your living room. Connect with others by reaching out to friends or family members for a chat or a hug. Treat yourself to something you enjoy, whether it's a favorite treat, a good book, or a relaxing bath. Finally, remember to laugh, watch a funny movie, tell jokes, or spend time with playful pets. By incorporating these simple habits into your daily routine, you can boost your mood and experience more joy and contentment in your life. What happens when you eat only fruits for 72 hours? Eating only fruits for 72 hours can have some interesting effects on your body. Let's break it down. After 12 hours, your digestion gets better. Your body starts to break down and absorb the good stuff in the fruits. The fibers in fruits help reduce bloating and stomach aches. After 24 hours, you start burning bad fats. Your body switches to using stored fats for energy, a process called nutritional ketosis. After 48 hours, you get fewer illnesses. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in fruits boost your immune system. After 72 hours, Your organs detoxify. Your body gets a break from digesting food and clears out toxins. You'll feel more energetic, have clearer skin, and even look younger. During this fasting period, it's best to eat fruits like berries, apples, oranges, grapefruits, kiwis, and pomegranates. They're packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins. Subscribe to learn more secrets about natural medicine. Don't miss out. Follow us for more updates.